What's up everyone, if you're getting the low memory warning on Roblox while playing on your iPhone or iPad, then don't worry, in this video we're going to show you exactly how to fix that. So what you can do is simply start by closing all background apps. So to do this, simply double tap the home button or swipe up depending on your device and close everything except for Roblox to free up RAM. Then next, you can also try restarting your device. So a quick restart usually clears out any temporary memory and often stops the warning from appearing. Now if the problem keeps happening, you can also try reinstalling Roblox. So this clears up any cached files that might be taking up too much space. Now finally, you can also make sure your iOS or Android is up to date, because older versions can sometimes cause memory issues. So after these steps, Roblox should run smoothly without any low memory pop-up. And that's it. So that's how to fix it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.